Hello, it's Ville here. Today we are walking through my provisional patent application files that I sent previously for provisional patent application about this dental innovation, and it's an extension from my previous patent. Within the process, when you're watching the video, please leave a comment. I'm more than happy to see what you think about and how I can improve stuff that I'm doing. Let's go. This is a screencast about my new patent application, and here you can see the previous one, and the new patent application is based on the same concept but different field. There is water tank and vacuum pump. This is a mouthpiece that has silicone and composite, and when you put it on its place, it creates negative pressure and tightens on its place just like a suction cup. Then we fill it with water, and the water, we use acoustic pressure in the water to clean the teeth. And here is the composition of it. So what I want to do now is to create a same system, but this area is just like a cup and not a mouthpiece. And there is quite a bit of evidence that this assists healing, and we can do it in a way that we have a vacuum suction cup here, and we run irrigation water, and we use ultrasound, and then we have a negative pressure wound therapy. It uses a pump, create negative pressure, and then we have wound irrigation. Some evidence that all three of these are effective. Here I have the complete system. You need to have a provisional application for patent cover sheet, and this includes name and residence and name of the device and name of the firm or individual who invented it, addresses, how many drawings you have, then specifications, and this is a really large file, and you don't need to write this much information. It has some introduction, field of the invention, where it is directed to background of the innovation and purpose of the invention. And I have a lot of figures, and this is just how it works, and the drawings are actually the most important pieces. I pretty much used the same file with adjustments that I used with the Brush 3000. Then I have illustrations, then I have figures about the system, how it works. I also have a abstract that is pretty much just a description quickly like how things work. And then you don't need to attach this, but you can attach claims. So I have 1 year to file the non-provisional patent application, and I have priority date until that point. And thanks for watching the video. I really enjoy that you watch it, and all the best. Take care. Bye.